So at this point, we actually have a couple additional questions we were hoping that we could ask Kati to share about her experience for this group before we jump over to any Q&A from the audience. One of our first questions was, what advice, Kati, would you give a pharmacy that is just beginning its DSCSA journey?
Yes, so I think the best advice is to get a little bit of knowledge for yourself on what the dispenser requirements are, just so you have that internal knowledge as you are seeking out and thinking about what technology needs you have to support your DSCSA needs. I found that for me, that was really important. I am not by any means an expert in DSCSA because there's just not enough time in the day, and it's not my only job, and I'm sure it's for many of you guys, it's also not your only job, but having that high level understanding, and even to the point of what Jessica has shared or what other webinars of LSPedia share on those kind of general expectations, I would recommend that, and then taking that knowledge that you have into your questions with your potential software solutions.
Thanks, Kati. Okay, something we have, Jess, would you like to jump in?
Yeah. Thank you so much. That was a great response. Curious, now that you've done the process twice and you have implemented a solution now and everything is really rolled out to your sites, have you seen any operational benefits beyond compliance that you'd like to share?
So absolutely, Jessica. I want to just reiterate the reporting capabilities within LSPedia have been an operational benefit for us because we want to be regulatorily compliant and we want to be able to have that oversight for our sites of care. So that's been a benefit because we did not have that previously, and just being able to actually have the data behind knowing that we are compliant and being able to look at those percentages, that's been really important. As far as other operational benefits, I have to be honest, I think for anybody that's doing scanning and you're scanning every single product, this is an opportunity to identify if there are discrepancies in what you're receiving from your vendors. And while that may be a small amount, it's still really important to actually see that when you are scanning every single item, that is definitely a benefit.